touch pen. Nabili na ako ni daddy ko. Oops. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Ito, Andrew yung cellphone ni mami ko. Bakit? Ayaw yung takip. Gana sa Android. Sabi ni TikTok. Yung takip na ito, gana sa Android. I think of TikTok. And anyways, wait. This is so cute, guys. Look. It's so soft. And this is so soft. Told you guys I got a touch pen. Look, it's so soft. And tapos ito, takip to. Ito ng ball pen na to. Sulat natin, guys. Oh, guys, ball pen. Nasulat ko ito yung hands ko.
Siguro a week na lumabas po siya dito sa bahay po ninyo.
See guys, meron ako ball pen. Oh guys, wait lang guys. OMG. Don't mind it guys. Just gonna put it this way. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't break it. You can copy it. Wait a second guys, wait. Okay, it's perfect now. Does it come off now? And open. Okay, I don't know what that stick is doing, but someone is biting me. I think that's a lemon. And wait lang guys, I just gonna guys, this is so cool guys, this is so cool. Buy this in TikTok shop because it's so free. It's so cheap guys, it's so cheap. I got this. This is so cool. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound, guys? Can you hear the sound? Look, this is so cool. Okay, this video is about to end. So I'm just gonna wait.